The LG washing machine not spinning is a common issue that can be caused by several factors. One of the main reasons is unbalanced laundry, which occurs when clothes get tangled together on one side of the machine, preventing it from spinning properly. Another reason is an unleveled washing machine, as the spin performance is affected when the unit is not correctly leveled on the floor. To fix this issue, it is recommended to spread the laundry evenly around the tub by using the spin cycle to redistribute the clothes, and then resuming the cycle. Additionally, leveling the washing machine is crucial, and this can be done by adjusting the legs on the affected sides using an appropriate wrench, ensuring the unit rests evenly on the floor. If these solutions do not work, it is advised to consult a service technician for further assistance.